welcome. My name's Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding immigration attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And I want to talk about this bill. This is a bill that was introduced in July. According to The Hill, it talks about House Democrats introduced the rolling registry bill for undocumented immigrants. I want to answer the question first, what is the registry? The registry was in the original version of the Immigration Nationality Act. A lot of people don't know this because it doesn't apply to hardly anybody anymore. The original registry is still available. You just have to have been in the United States since January 1st of 1972. That's when, the law was most recently amended by Reagan in 1986, and the registry date was changed to January 1st, 1972, and that's where it still stands. So just to be clear, currently the law says that if you entered the U.S. prior to January 1st of 1972 and can prove it, all right, and if you've resided in the U.S. continuously since that time, and you're a person of good moral character, no serious crimes, things like that, you're not ineligible for citizenship or naturalization because of serious crimes or things like that, you're not removable or deportable under terrorist-related grounds or national security provisions, then you're eligible for a green card under the registry provisions. That is current law. The problem is there really aren't that many undocumented immigrants in the United States today that have been here since January 1st, 1972. So here it is. It's already written into the law. The problem really is this date. And what this proposal suggests is they want it to be what they call rolling registry. Meaning, let's not just pick a new date. What this, though, is saying is not to pick a specific date and instead say, hey, every 7 years, once you have 7 years of continuous physical presence in the U.S., and as long as you haven't committed a crime, you haven't done anything bad in those 7 years, then you could apply for registry, which is to say to apply for a green card. This would essentially be amnesty, be the opportunity, close to 11 million people who are physically present in the United States who can't come out of the shadows because the law is restrictive, who could potentially be eligible for this if it could pass. The problem is that's a big if. Like, if it could pass? Yeah, it was introduced by House Democrats. It doesn't mean it's passed the House. That's going to be an uphill battle. And even if it were to pass the House, you think that it could pass the filibuster in the Senate? It's almost dead in the water. As an immigration lawyer, I've seen proposals that were much easier to pass than this one still lose, like the DREAM Act. And so this bill is creative. I love it. I wish it could pass. But I think it's going to take like several cycles of several elections getting out some of the stingy, anti-immigrant certain members of Congress, get them out of there, get some new, fresh folks in and that understand how much of a contribution immigrants really are to our society, and then let's freaking vote to create a law like this. It'd be great. Those are my 2 cents on it. I hope it was helpful. Check out the Hills article. Check out the Immigration Impact blog on it. I found it really useful. And you can always go to uscis.gov and check out the way the registry currently works, because this is the code section that proposal would amend. I hope this was helpful. If you've got questions, please feel free to contact my office. My name is Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.